Howdy folks, Barefoot Joel with Naturalist for You here in the San Gabriel River with Fernando, Leslie, and Tanya, and we are looking at the green sea turtles that are gravitating up the river because of the warm water and the abundance of algae. So right now we are observing the turtles. They're swimming against the current, and every now and again they pop up their head for air and you can hear them breathing. One of these turtles can get anywhere from 3 to 4 feet in length. It can weigh anywhere from 300 to 350 pounds. It's the largest sea turtle in the world. It can live 70 years or more. And they're right here in the San Gabriel River Trail.